Cambridge, their philosophy is narrow and deep. A lot of other syllabi, well, they go wide. So they will cover a lot of content, a lot of knowledge, and it's all good stuff. But because they're covering so much, it tends to be quite superficial. Cambridge, narrow but deep. So they will have less content in their syllabus. They'll cover less material, but it's deep learning. So you really have to be able to interrogate why things are the way they are. It's one thing to learn a formula, but do you understand why that relationship works, what the implications are, how you would apply it? And that is really what sets Cambridge apart. It forces teachers to take their pupils deeper. That means that the teachers require subject mastery themselves. And then the ability to guide young boys to gain that same depth of knowledge. It's stimulating, it's challenging, it's exciting, and it's what makes Cambridge special.